This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Dante Lawrence. Great opportunity with this clean, easy maintenance home that won't empty your savings. This 2-bedroom 1-bath offers washer and dryer, refrigerator, new stove, new windows and updated deck to relax and socialize. Nice neutral color features allow easy planning for your move-in. Schedule appointment today. For more information, review the details below.